Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Fueling, your ultimate guide to the coolest and most innovative gadgets available on Amazon. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest reviews and inventions. Today, we've got something super special for you. 5 amazing toys that are perfect for both kids and adults. These are must-haves for 2024. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours today. Now, let's dive right in. First up, we have the 3D Flow 3D printing pen. This incredible gadget is perfect for teens and adults who love to create. With the 3D Flow, you can bring your imagination to life. It's compatible with various filaments like PLA, ABS, and even wood. Plus, the integrated LCD screen ensures smooth 3D printing by providing real-time temperature monitoring. It's easy to use. Just plug it in, insert the filament, and start creating stunning 3D objects. Whether you're making handmade gifts, decorations, or just having fun, the 3D Flow is a versatile tool that you can take anywhere. Get yours starting at $41.96 and unleash your creativity. Next, we have Bitzee, the digital pet you can actually touch. Unlike traditional virtual pets, Bitzee reacts to your swipes, tilt, and touch. It's like having a real pet without the mess. Each Bitzee starts as a baby, and with your love and care, it grows into an adult and even a super Bitzee. With 15 different pets to collect and various ways to play, Bitzee is perfect for kids aged 5 and up. It's an amazing screen-free alternative to handheld games and consoles. Get your Bitzee for as low as $17.18 and start your journey of nurturing and playing with these adorable digital pets. Now, let's talk about Moxie, the conversational learning robot that's powered by advanced AI technology. Moxie is designed to help kids increase their social confidence, manage big feelings, and practice communication skills. It's like having a personal tutor and a fun playmate all in one. With articulating arms and an emotion-responsive camera, Moxie interacts with kids in a meaningful way. You can easily purchase Moxie on Amazon and give your kids an incredible learning companion. For all the Transformers fans out there, meet the Robosen Optimus Prime Elite. This auto-converting programmable Transformer robot toy transforms effortlessly between truck and robot modes via voice command or mobile app. It's equipped with multiple sensors and authentic sounds and phrases, making it a must-have for any Transformers enthusiast. You can get your hands on this iconic collectible through Amazon and bring the Transformers universe to life. Last but not least, we have Eilik, the cute robot pet with abundant emotions and interactive features. Eilik is the perfect companion for kids and adults who love pets. It reacts to touch on different parts of its body, and multiple Eiliks can even interact with each other. Eilik is available on Amazon, so make sure to check it out and get your perfect interactive companion.